Hey guys, so right now we have the Galaxy A53 against last year's Galaxy A52. Comparing just the front cameras, I can definitely see some differences in the video quality. My skin looks a bit bleaker, more pale on the Galaxy A52, and the colors are more saturated, at least in the viewfinder on the Galaxy A53. And both can record 4K video with the front camera, and that's what it looks like. So let me know which one you like better. So hey guys, Vicky with PhoneArena, and this is the 4K video recording with the main camera on the Galaxy A53 against last year's Galaxy A52. Both budget phones, but let me know if you can see some differences in the actual video recording, and if you can just slowly move the two cameras towards the sea so we can take a look at the video quality. Alright. These are the main cameras on the Galaxy A53 and the Galaxy A52.